morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. Oh, I hope everybody had a good weekend. I had a very busy but productive weekend. Last night was officially Sunday dinner night here at the Tomosic household, where Robin came over for Sunday dinner. She got to pick the menu after I gave her several choices. She chose the Casual Chef meatloaf. We both decided to go with the cheater box au gratin potatoes to go stress-free, even though she admitted mine are better. And we went with, or she chose, Casual Chef peas with red bell pepper. It was good. Oh, I've been eating so much international fare. I kind of forgot what a good old Midwest American meal really is. It was yummy. I have leftovers. I offered Robin to take leftovers home. She decided not to. So I have leftovers for lunch. Nothing like meatloaf leftovers. You can do sandwiches with it. You can eat it cold. You can do a lot with it. I was checking Facebook this morning, and one of our members said the sweetest thing, because I had edited and adjusted the description for Casual Chef's Kitchen. It needed some minor, it was nothing. But she said that the Casual Chef's Kitchen is something to the beginning or making of culinary love, something to that effect. It just really made my heart just swell with pride, and pride's not the right word, but just it just made me go, wow, cool. So yeah. Okay. The Culinary Expedition continues this evening. We're going to Cuba. Robin and I were talking last night. One of the things I'm trying to do is not bring to the Casual Chef's Kitchen things that you can find in restaurants or most homes. Mostly restaurants. So tonight's dish, I'm going to attempt the Spanish, but I do have an English translation. Never mind. I'm not even going to try the Spanish. It's yellow rice with shrimp. This is, from what I understand, a staple dish in Cuba. So let's get to it. Got some hardware going. 3 all-clad today. And I'll get to them each, just in a second. So, of course, we're starting with long grain white rice, a little bit of oil. Got to have shrimp for shrimp. These are 1625s, which I'm going to reserve the shells because I'm going to be making a shrimp stock today. That's why there's three all-clads. Of course, kosher salt, black pepper. The empty measuring cup is for the stock. Onion, red bell pepper, garlic, pimento, just a little bit, a couple ounces of tomato sauce, and ground cumin, and good old green peas. Peas again today. I love peas. And just a real small bay leaf. Now I'm putting together a blend. It's called Bijol, B-I-J-O-L. It is a Latin American spice blend. It's a seasoning blend, is really what it is, which has, the primary is the annatto. It's got cumin seed, coriander seed, whole black peppers, some sea salt, which I'm debating on because I don't typically put salt in my blends, and cayenne. So here's the goodies for tonight's Cuba meal, or Cuban. So on this Monday, it's going to be hot out there, folks. Stay hydrated. Stay indoors with AC if you can. So on this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.